Normally, when you see that kind of shot, you think, oh no! But in this case, this is awesome because that's what it was supposed to do. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna go super low budget here. After all my different things I've been trying, I'm gonna try just putting these pool noodles literally just battery strapped on top. Everything I do on this one, I'm running all the way underneath. The battery strap runs all the way underneath because I want to compress this body as much as possible, right? So those straps are going underneath. Yeah, I'm going to plug it in just because. Keep a little water out of that XT60. Oh yeah. It's just beeping because my controller's not hooked up. Alright, what I found is that is plenty of flotation. That little bit of pool noodles. I could even go with less. Alright, we've got our pool here, and I'm gonna grab my remotes and let's do a little bit of a flight test. What I'm doing here is the simplest possible solution, which is so often the best. Nice and tight so they'll stay on. It's just resting on top of the GoPro. But that's working. That's a pretty good setup, actually.
Telemetry recovered.
This foam I've got here is super old pool noodles, and so they're liable to take on some water as well. But let's do a little more. See how we go. I'm disarming. Arming. And what I really like about this is it's going to right itself. That's a winner. Right, we can definitely go in the drink, come right back out. That's a winner for sure. And with this type of setup, it comes off and goes back on super easy. You can see I need new foam. And it always is going to right itself. If this thing went in, somehow toppled, went upside down, it's going to sit like that. As soon as you arm it, it pops back up, and we're flying. So I think that's a winner. Nice job, Shendrones and Quad Standard Labs. Woohoo! This is my waterproof geyser. Love it.